plane coming. Oh, he's gonna come right over top of us, Walt. He leveled out right over. Look, check this out. This plane is gonna come right over top of us. It's a big old bad boy. Check this out. This is too cool. I don't the sun mess it up. Don't get no closer than that, baby. There he is again. Big ass military jet flying over the city of Pittsburgh, making maneuvers. Look at him turning. That's crazy, right? Flying over the city. He's right now, right above the city. Oh, he's banking again. Oh, where'd he go? He leveled off again. Pretty cool. Hope he comes back.